my experience over many years has been this, is that those who come from, you know, the non-professional family background tend to not present themselves, rightly or wrongly, in such a way as they attract the pupilages and the training contracts. It's often through going through the process of the course that you learn to be able to present yourself in a way they want to receive. And I think if you capped the numbers, it would be to the disadvantage of those who had the least opportunity. I think the bigger issue is the cost of that training. And my view, I know it's not the question, but you've given me the moment, so I'm going to take it, is that we need to think about courses like the LPC and the bar course and how you lower the costs and concentrate the training on the things where you really need airtime, such as advocacy and conference skills and so on, with a live tutor, and change things to make it cheaper and more flexible.
Simao?
I agree with James insofar as obviously cost is a big barrier. However, the level of competition to work in the grade is enormous, and the gap keeps increasing. There has to be a responsibility on the regulators, those who give us our qualifications, to make sure that the number of people actually putting themselves forward for these places is consistent with the number of jobs actually available. Increasingly, there are less pupilages, less training contracts. The current sort of competition rate is 1 in 5, but in fact actually it's greater than that because you have people from the year before who've already qualified and are part of that particular system. So we cannot have a huge number of people qualifying year on year without actually having some sort of measure to make sure that there is a real prospect that they will secure a job, particularly because it is so expensive to do the course. If the course was cheaper, then I would agree with James that capping the number of people doing the courses wouldn't be so much of a problem, or wouldn't necessarily be the right step to take.
Lucy, sorry, can I just pick up and everyone says, I want the numbers capped as long as I can get in. That's the real issue. I've been litigated, sued so many times because I've been priding myself on being tough on admissions. And everybody says, fine, but as long as it's me. That's the problem. Sorry.